Welcome to Quest for Knowledge. Today I have brought the update released by Karnataka government. So the government of Karnataka has released a circular regarding the universities and colleges shall continue online classes for all the even semester of UG programs. Starting of offline classes will be reviewed once the COVID situation eases. So even those universities and colleges who have not completed all semester examination of UG program shall continue online classes for the even semester. It means for second, like first semester it has not held just because of the COVID situation, to which they can move forward and start the even semesters. It means they can prepare for the second semester, fourth semester, sixth semester and eighth semester, as there is carry over system is most of the program. The remaining examination of odd semester of UG program can be conducted or scheduled once the COVID situation eases. Okay, so the odd semester may also get conducted after the COVID situation. In cases where there are some restriction on carry over to higher semester, maybe in engineering and some professional courses, the vice chancellor or principal are advised to work out the details in consultation with the Karnataka State Higher Education Council. Regarding the postgraduate program, admission process for the first semester were delayed in some universities due to COVID situation, but the third semester classes have been completed in many of the universities. In some university, examinations had started. Therefore, in respect of PG programs in universities where classes of odd semesters are completed and only examinations are pending, they shall continue online classes for even semester. The examination of odd semester can be conducted or scheduled once the COVID situation eases. So, in universities where odd semester classes are not completed, they shall continue classes online once odd semesters are completed, and if the COVID situation still persists for some time, making it difficult to conduct. So, examination of odd semester, they shall start online classes for even semesters immediately after the completion of the odd semester classes. Examination of odd semester classes can be conducted or scheduled once the COVID situation eases. So, thrice of the time it has been referred that your odd semester classes can be conducted or scheduled once the COVID situation eases. As and when things develop, the situation will be reviewed. Guidelines and schedules will be worked out in consultation with the Vice Chancellor and the Karnataka State Higher Education Council for implementation in all the college and universities. All the universities are requested to strictly adhere to the guidelines issued in this regard and also guide the affiliated college. So, this is what the update for the college and university, that the college and university shall continue their online classes and conduction of remaining exams of odd semester and starting of offline classes will be reviewed and scheduled once the COVID situation eases. So till then we need to move on and go through with the online classes itself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates and notification regarding your examinations and college reopening. Thank you very much.